Ladies and gentlemen, the world around us has always tried to define us, label us, and tell us who we should be. Yet, the truth is, every woman is unique, powerful, and capable of shaping her own destiny. We live in a society where we are often expected to fit into predefined roles. But it's time to step away from these limitations. It's time to show the world the woman we truly are, the woman who can't be replaced. This journey is not about seeking validation from others, but finding strength in ourselves, standing tall in our own uniqueness, and becoming irreplaceable in our own right. Being irreplaceable starts with the deep understanding that you don't need to fit into anyone else's idea of who you should be. Society has long tried to define what a woman should look like, how she should act, what her worth is, but the truth is, those definitions are fleeting. They are based on external perceptions that can change with the wind. If we spend our lives trying to match someone else's standards, we lose the essence of who we truly are. The first step to becoming irreplaceable is to stop seeking someone else's approval. We are not meant to be carbon copies of one another. Each woman carries her own set of experiences, talents, and dreams, and it's these qualities that make us irreplaceable. True value lies not in how well we fit into existing molds, but in how well we know ourselves and stand firm in our uniqueness. When you understand that your value isn't tied to what others think of you, but to your own belief in yourself, you unlock an untapped source of strength. You don't need to be like anyone else because there is no one else like you. The uniqueness of a woman is her strength. Her power is in being true to herself and her authenticity. It's not easy to embrace this. Society places so much pressure on women to act a certain way, to look a certain way, to speak a certain way. But true freedom comes from letting go of those external expectations and looking inward. It means accepting yourself, flaws and all, because those imperfections are what make you human. There is no need to hide them or feel ashamed of them. They are part of your story. A woman who is unapologetically herself, who embraces her flaws, strengths, and everything in between, becomes irreplaceable. When we talk about being irreplaceable, we are not referring to perfection. It's not about having everything together or meeting some unrealistic standard. Being irreplaceable means being resilient in the face of challenges, knowing that every setback is an opportunity for growth. Life is full of ups and downs, and the woman who can't be replaced is the one who rises every time she falls. She doesn't let failure define her. She lets it teach her. She understands that failure is not the end of the road, but merely a lesson that leads her to the next chapter of her journey. Resilience is not just about bouncing back, it's about growing through what you go through. It's about building a mindset that refuses to accept defeat and a heart that refuses to give up. Every time life challenges you, and every time you push through, you are not just surviving, you are thriving. It's this inner strength and determination that make you irreplaceable. No one can take your place if you've built a foundation of resilience and confidence in who you are. Being irreplaceable is also about recognizing your worth, even when others fail to see it. The world may try to tell you that you are not enough, but the truth is, you are already enough. You are enough without needing to change yourself for anyone. You are enough even on the days when you feel less than perfect. When you start believing in your own worth, you stop seeking validation from others. You become your own biggest supporter, and when you do that, nothing can shake your confidence. The opinions of others no longer matter because you know who you are, and you are proud of it. To be irreplaceable is to live unapologetically, knowing that your value does not depend on others' opinions of you. The more you embrace yourself, the more you radiate an energy that no one can replicate. You become the woman who stands out not because she tries to fit in, but because she refuses to change who she is. That is irreplaceable. You will always be the woman no one else can replace, because you are living in alignment with your truth. And when you do that, you become a force to be reckoned with. When we talk about the worth of a woman, it is crucial to understand that her value is not defined by others. In fact, the only person whose opinion of your worth matters is you. Too often, women are taught to seek validation from others, whether it's from family, friends, society, or even a partner. Society has long had a tendency to measure women by external standards, whether it's their appearance, accomplishments, or the roles they play in the lives of others. But true worth doesn't lie in these external factors. It comes from within. The foundation of self-worth is built on understanding that you are valuable simply because you exist. It's easy to become caught up in the idea that our worth is determined by how others perceive us, but this is a dangerous mindset. When you base your value on someone else's opinion, you give them the power to control how you see yourself. And this can lead to feelings of insecurity, self-doubt, and dependence on external approval. To be irreplaceable, you need to let go of this need for validation. Instead, you must start validating yourself. When you believe in your own worth and stop relying on others to define it, you empower yourself to live life on your own terms. The journey to understanding your true worth begins with self-acceptance. This means accepting not just your strengths but also your flaws, your mistakes, and your imperfections. Often we are so quick to judge ourselves harshly for our shortcomings, thinking that they make us less worthy. But in reality, it's our imperfections that make us human, and it's our ability to embrace them that makes us strong. When you can look in the mirror and see yourself as a complete whole person, flaws and all, you begin to recognize your inherent value. You stop seeking perfection, and instead you start celebrating the person you are right now. Another key aspect of recognizing your worth is understanding that you are enough, just as you are. There is no need to constantly strive to be more or to meet someone else's expectations. You are enough without having to prove anything to anyone. In a world that often encourages women to do more, be more, and give more, it's easy to lose sight of the fact that being enough is already an accomplishment. You don't need to overachieve or go beyond your limits to feel valuable. Simply by being authentic and living true to yourself, you are enough. The act of being true to yourself is one of the most powerful ways to assert your worth. When you know who you are and what you stand for, no one can shake your sense of value. When you start to internalize your worth, you will find that you begin to attract people and opportunities that respect and appreciate you for who you truly are. This is one of the most profound aspects of self-worth. When you recognize your value, you begin to set boundaries with others. You no longer accept toxic behavior, unhealthy relationships, or situations that diminish your sense of self. You become more selective about the people you allow into your life, understanding that your time and energy are precious. This doesn't mean you become distant or close yourself off from others, but rather that you become more discerning about who you let influence your life. When you value yourself, you naturally create a space where others are encouraged to do the same. It's important to remember that your worth isn't measured by your past mistakes, by the expectations others place on you, or by any external circumstances. No one else's opinion can define who you are or how much you are worth. The people who genuinely care about you will appreciate you for your authenticity and the unique qualities that make you who you are. The people who fail to recognize your worth are the ones who don't deserve to be part of your journey. When you understand that your worth is intrinsic, it becomes easier to walk away from situations and relationships that do not honor you. In a world where women are often undervalued or reduced to certain roles, recognizing your worth is a revolutionary act. It's a form of self-empowerment that allows you to live boldly, make decisions based on your own needs and desires, and take control of your own life. You no longer need the approval of others to feel worthy. Your value is not up for negotiation, and when you embrace this, you become irreplaceable. No one can take your place because you understand and accept your own worth, and that confidence radiates in everything you do. Living authentically is one of the most powerful choices we can make. It's about being true to who we are, even when the world tries to tell us to be someone else. Society at times can create a narrative about who we should be, how we should act, and what success looks like. But the truth is, authenticity is a personal journey, and it has nothing to do with meeting society's standards or conforming to other people's expectations. Being authentic means living in alignment with your own values, beliefs, and passions, without worrying about how others perceive you. It's about showing up as your real self, unapologetically and without hesitation. The key to authenticity is self-awareness. It begins with understanding who you are and being comfortable in your own skin. Too often we spend so much time trying to fit in that we forget to explore and understand our own unique qualities. The world encourages us to conform, to blend in with the crowd, but true fulfillment comes when we embrace our individuality. When we take the time to really reflect on what makes us unique, our strengths, our weaknesses, our dreams, we begin to uncover the beauty in our authentic selves. This self-awareness is the foundation of living authentically. It's about recognizing your desires, your needs, and your true essence, and then making choices that align with that understanding. Living authentically also requires courage. It takes bravery to reject societal norms, to stand firm in your beliefs, and to walk your own path. Often when we choose authenticity, we open ourselves up to judgment, criticism, and rejection from others. People may not understand why we choose to live the way we do, or they may try to impose their own values onto us. But authenticity is not about pleasing others, it's about pleasing yourself. It's about having the courage to live in a way that feels right for you, regardless of what others think. It's a powerful reminder that we are the architects of our own lives, and that our worth is not determined by external approval. Being authentic means being honest with yourself and with others. It's about showing the world who you truly are, without putting up walls or pretending to be something you're not. It's easy to fall into the trap of wearing a mask, especially in situations where we feel pressured to fit in. But over time, this can lead to a sense of disconnection and dissatisfaction. The more we hide who we truly are, the more we feel disconnected from ourselves. Authenticity is the antidote to this. It is the act of letting go of the masks and allowing yourself to be seen, with all your imperfections and quirks. When you are honest about who you are, you attract people who appreciate you for your true self, not for a version of you that you've created to meet their expectations. Living authentically also means making choices that reflect your values and passions, even if it's not the easiest or most popular path. It's about following your heart, even when it goes against the grain. Sometimes the road to authenticity is not smooth. It can be challenging to step away from the familiar, to take risks, or to choose a path that others might not understand. But the reward of living authentically is a life filled with purpose, fulfillment, and happiness. When we make choices that align with our true selves, we experience a deeper sense of satisfaction and joy, because we are living in harmony with who we truly are. When you live authentically, you also experience a sense of freedom. You no longer feel the pressure to fit into other people's expectations. You are free to be yourself, without needing permission or approval. This freedom allows you to create a life that is meaningful and aligned with your personal values. It's a life where you can be unapologetically yourself, where you don't have to hide parts of yourself to fit in. Authenticity is liberation. It's about freeing yourself from the constraints that society often places on us, and instead creating a life that reflects who you are at your core. One of the most beautiful things about living authentically is that it inspires others to do the same. When you choose to live in a way that is true to yourself, you give others permission to do the same. Authenticity is contagious. It shows others that it is okay to embrace their own unique qualities and to follow their own path. The more people who live authentically, the more we create a world that celebrates individuality and diversity. When we live authentically, we create a ripple effect that can inspire those around us to embrace their own authenticity and to live life on their own terms. Living authentically doesn't mean that we are perfect or that we always have it all together. It means accepting ourselves fully, flaws and all, and not being afraid to show our true selves to the world. It's about being real, being raw, and being brave enough to live a life that is uniquely yours. When we do this, we not only experience a deeper connection with ourselves, but we also create stronger, more meaningful connections with others. Authenticity is the key to building genuine relationships and leading a life that is rich in purpose and joy. Resilience is one of the most powerful qualities a person can possess. It is the ability to bounce back from setbacks, to persevere in the face of adversity, and to keep moving forward when the world seems to be pushing you back. Life is unpredictable, and at times it can be incredibly challenging. We all face moments of hardship, loss, disappointment, or failure. But what sets resilient people apart is not that they avoid hardship, but that they are able to rise above it and keep going. Resilience is about cultivating the strength to handle life's curveballs and using those experiences to grow stronger, wiser, and more capable of handling future challenges. The first aspect of resilience is understanding that failure is not the end. It is a part of the process. Every successful person, every individual who has achieved greatness in their life, has faced failure. It's not something to fear, but rather something to learn from. When we experience failure, it often feels like the world is crashing down on us. The disappointment and hurt can be overwhelming, and it may seem impossible to move forward. However, resilient people understand that failure is temporary, and it doesn't define who they are. They see failure as an opportunity for growth, a chance to learn and improve. This mindset allows them to overcome setbacks and keep pushing forward, knowing that each failure is simply a stepping stone towards success. Another important aspect of resilience is having a sense of purpose. People who are resilient have a clear understanding of why they are doing what they are doing. They are driven by a deep sense of purpose and passion, which gives them the strength to keep going, even when the going gets tough. Without purpose, it's easy to become discouraged or to lose sight of what you're working towards. But when you have a clear goal in mind, something you are deeply passionate about, you are more likely to keep going, even in the face of obstacles. Purpose acts as a guiding light, helping you stay focused and motivated, no matter how difficult the journey may be. Resilience is also about emotional strength. Life can be emotionally draining, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the challenges we face. However, resilient people are able to manage their emotions and not let them control their actions. They understand that emotions are a natural part of life, but they do not let negative emotions like fear, anger, or sadness dictate their choices. Instead, they learn to process these emotions in healthy ways, using them as fuel to propel themselves forward. Emotional strength allows them to stay calm under pressure, to think clearly when things get difficult, and to make decisions that align with their goals. One of the keys to developing resilience is adopting a growth mindset. People with a growth mindset believe that they can always improve and that their abilities are not fixed. This belief empowers them to tackle challenges with a sense of curiosity rather than fear. They see obstacles as opportunities to learn, and they are not deterred by the difficulties they face. In fact, they often embrace challenges because they know that overcoming them will make them stronger and more capable in the future. This mindset shifts the focus from failure to growth and from limitations to possibilities. When you adopt a growth mindset, you no longer see setbacks as personal failures, but as valuable lessons that contribute to your overall development. Resilience is also about adaptability. Life doesn't always go as planned, and things are often beyond our control. The ability to adapt to changing circumstances is a crucial aspect of resilience. Those who are resilient are able to adjust their plans, find new solutions, and stay flexible when things don't go as expected. They are not rigid in their thinking or actions, but are open to change and willing to take different approaches when necessary. Adaptability allows them to navigate through uncertainty and keep moving forward, even when the path is not clear. It helps them maintain a sense of control in situations that may feel out of control, and it gives them the confidence to face new challenges head-on. Resilience is about self-care. In order to be resilient, you must take care of yourself, physically, mentally, and emotionally. This means prioritizing your well-being, getting enough rest, eating well, exercising, and taking time to recharge. It also means recognizing when you need help and being open to seeking support from others. Resilience is not about doing everything on your own or being invincible. It's about knowing when to ask for help, taking care of your own needs, and ensuring that you are in the right mindset to tackle challenges. Self-care provides the foundation for resilience, allowing you to stay strong and focused in the face of adversity. Success is often portrayed as a destination, a point we must reach in order to be truly happy or fulfilled. Society sets up these expectations. Graduate from a prestigious university, secure a high-paying job, find the perfect partner, and live a life that others will admire. But the truth is, success is not about checking off a list of external accomplishments. Success is about staying true to your values and beliefs, regardless of what others might think or expect. When you follow your own path, you may not always follow the traditional definition of success, but you will find fulfillment in a deeper, more authentic way. Staying true to your values means knowing what you stand for, understanding what you believe in, and making decisions based on those principles. It's about having a clear sense of purpose and not compromising it for the sake of external approval. In a world that constantly pushes for perfection and conformity, sticking to your values can feel like a rebellious act. However, it is one of the most powerful choices you can make. When you choose to live in alignment with your values, you become a source of inspiration to others. You show them that success is not about fitting into predefined boxes, but about embracing who you truly are. Living in alignment with your values doesn't mean that life will always be easy or that you will always win. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments where it feels like your efforts aren't paying off. But the difference is that when you live authentically, the ups and downs don't define you. You will face difficulties just like anyone else, but your inner strength will carry you through because you know why you're doing it. Your values give you purpose, and that purpose gives you resilience. Success in this sense is not about avoiding failure, but about continuing to move forward, even when it feels like things aren't going as planned. The pressure to achieve external success can often lead us to lose sight of what truly matters. It can make us forget that personal fulfillment comes from within, not from the approval or recognition of others. When you focus solely on external achievements, you begin to measure your worth based on how others see you, and this can leave you feeling empty, no matter how much you accomplish. But when you stay true to your values, you are no longer dependent on external validation to feel fulfilled. You are able to measure your success by how much you are growing as a person, by how much you are learning from your experiences, and by how much you are living according to your truth. Choosing authenticity over external success also allows you to build deeper, more meaningful relationships. When you are genuine and true to yourself, you attract people who appreciate you for who you are, not for who they want you to be. These relationships are built on respect, honesty, and mutual understanding. They are not based on superficial expectations or on what you can do for each other. The connections you form when you live authentically are often the most rewarding because they are rooted in real, meaningful interactions. At times, it may feel like the world is telling you to abandon your values in order to fit in or achieve more. But remember that the more you conform to external expectations, the further you drift from your true self. Staying true to your values is a constant act of courage, especially in a world that often praises outward success over inner peace. However, it is this courage that will ultimately set you apart. When you live according to your principles, you don't just achieve success in the traditional sense, you achieve fulfillment and inner peace, which is far more valuable than anything the world could offer. It's important to note that success in this context doesn't mean the absence of struggles or hardships. It simply means finding fulfillment in the process. It's about aligning your actions with your core beliefs, even when the road is tough. The true essence of success is not in the end goal, but in the journey. Success comes when you can look back on your life and feel proud of how you lived it, not because of the things you accumulated or the titles you earned, but because you stayed true to who you are and followed the path that felt right for you. That in itself is the most authentic and lasting form of success you can achieve. Success is often portrayed as a destination, a point we must reach in order to be truly happy or fulfilled. Society sets up these expectations. Graduate from a prestigious university, secure a high-paying job, find the perfect partner, and live a life that others will admire. But the truth is, success is not about checking off a list of external accomplishments. Success is about staying true to your values and beliefs, regardless of what others might think or expect. When you follow your own path, you may not always follow the traditional definition of success, but you will find fulfillment in a deeper, more authentic way. Staying true to your values means knowing what you stand for, understanding what you believe in, and making decisions based on those principles. It's about having a clear sense of purpose and not compromising it for the sake of external approval. In a world that constantly pushes for perfection and conformity, sticking to your values can feel like a rebellious act. However, it is one of the most powerful choices you can make. When you choose to live in alignment with your values, you become a source of inspiration to others. You show them that success is not about fitting into predefined boxes, but about embracing who you truly are. Living in alignment with your values doesn't mean that life will always be easy or that you will always win. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments where it feels like your efforts aren't paying off. But the difference is that when you live authentically, the ups and downs don't define you. You will face difficulties just like anyone else, but your inner strength will carry you through because you know why you're doing it. Your values give you purpose, and that purpose gives you resilience. Success in this sense is not about avoiding failure, but about continuing to move forward, even when it feels like things aren't going as planned. The pressure to achieve external success can often lead us to lose sight of what truly matters. It can make us forget that personal fulfillment comes from within, not from the approval or recognition of others. When you focus solely on external achievements, you begin to measure your worth based on how others see you, and this can leave you feeling empty, no matter how much you accomplish. But when you stay true to your values, you are no longer dependent on external validation to feel fulfilled. You are able to measure your success by how much you are growing as a person, by how much you are learning from your experiences, and by how much you are living according to your truth. Choosing authenticity over external success also allows you to build deeper, more meaningful relationships. When you are genuine and true to yourself, you attract people who appreciate you for who you are, not for who they want you to be. These relationships are built on respect, honesty, and mutual understanding. They are not based on superficial expectations or on what you can do for each other. The connections you form when you live authentically are often the most rewarding, because they are rooted in real, meaningful interactions. At times, it may feel like the world is telling you to abandon your values in order to fit in or achieve more. But remember that the more you conform to external expectations, the further you drift from your true self. Staying true to your values is a constant act of courage, especially in a world that often praises outward success over inner peace. However, it is this courage that will ultimately set you apart. When you live according to your principles, you don't just achieve success in the traditional sense, you achieve fulfillment and inner peace, which is far more valuable than anything the world could offer. It's important to note that success in this context doesn't mean the absence of struggles or hardships. It simply means finding fulfillment in the process. It's about aligning your actions with your core beliefs, even when the road is tough. The true essence of success is not in the end goal, but in the journey. Success comes when you can look back on your life and feel proud of how you lived it, not because of the things you accumulated or the titles you earned, but because you stayed true to who you are and followed the path that felt right for you. That in itself is the most authentic and lasting form of success you can achieve. The journey towards becoming the woman you are meant to be is often long and filled with challenges, but it is also one of the most rewarding experiences. One of the keys to this journey is the commitment to never stop moving forward, even when the road gets tough. Progress is not always linear, and there will be times when it feels like you are not making the progress you want or expect. But the most important thing is to keep moving, one step at a time, even if those steps seem small. The path to becoming irreplaceable is paved with persistence, patience, and the unwavering belief that you are capable of achieving your goals. When life gets hard and you feel like giving up, remember that every setback is an opportunity to learn and grow. Challenges are a natural part of life, and they can be the very thing that strengthens you. Resilience is not about avoiding obstacles, but about learning to navigate through them. Each time you face a challenge and push through, you gain more strength, more insight, and more wisdom. The road may be difficult, but every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to the woman you are destined to become. It's easy to get discouraged when progress doesn't come as quickly as you would like. Society often teaches us that success happens fast, and that if we are not seeing results immediately, we are failing. But this is far from the truth. The process of growth and transformation takes time. It requires patience, self-discipline, and a willingness to stay committed, even when things are not happening as quickly as we'd like. But remember that every small action, every bit of progress adds up over time. The consistent effort you put in today will lay the foundation for the success you will see in the future. The journey towards becoming irreplaceable is also about learning to embrace uncertainty. Life is unpredictable, and things do not always go as planned. But rather than fearing the unknown, it is important to embrace it. Uncertainty offers us the chance to be creative, to think outside the box, and to explore new possibilities. The fear of uncertainty can hold us back, making us feel like we need to have everything figured out before we take the next step. But the reality is that no one has all the answers, and sometimes you have to trust yourself and take the leap without knowing exactly where it will lead. The courage to move forward in the face of uncertainty is what will set you apart. Becoming the woman you can't be replaced by is also about recognizing that your worth is not tied to external circumstances. It is easy to believe that our value is determined by our achievements, the opinions of others, or how well we perform in life. But the truth is that your worth is intrinsic. It is inherent in who you are, regardless of your accomplishments or setbacks. No matter what happens in life, you will always be valuable, irreplaceable, and worthy of respect and love. This understanding frees you from the pressure of constantly needing to prove yourself or seeking validation from others. It allows you to live authentically, embracing both your strengths and your flaws, without shame or fear. Every step you take towards growth, every decision you make to move forward, brings you closer to your fullest potential. There may be times when it feels like you are stuck or not making the progress you want. It's important to remember that these moments are part of the process, not the end of the road. Sometimes it's the periods of stillness and waiting that prepare us for the next phase of growth. Even when you can't see immediate progress, trust that you are still evolving. Trust that the work you are doing on yourself is laying the groundwork for something greater. Your journey will not always be easy, and there will be times when you question whether you are on the right path. But if you keep moving forward, even when it feels difficult, you will eventually look back and see how far you've come. It's not about the speed at which you go, but the consistency and determination to keep going no matter what. Each day is a new opportunity to take another step towards becoming the woman you are meant to be. The woman who is irreplaceable, unstoppable, and beautifully unique. When we begin to understand our own worth, we start to realize the immense power that lies within us. It's easy to get caught up in the cycle of seeking validation from others, especially in a world that often measures worth by external standards like appearance, achievements, or social status. We are constantly bombarded by messages that tell us we must look a certain way, act a certain way, and achieve certain things to be seen as valuable. But the truth is, none of these external measures should define us. The most important source of validation comes from within. When you start to validate yourself, you stop waiting for someone else's approval. Instead, you begin to accept yourself fully, flaws and all. Self-validation is about recognizing your strengths, acknowledging your achievements, and forgiving yourself for your mistakes. It is about embracing who you are, regardless of what others think or how society might judge you. When you learn to validate yourself, you no longer give power to the opinions of others. You are no longer dependent on external sources of approval to feel good about who you are. You are free to live your life on your own terms, driven by your values and your inner sense of worth. Self-validation is not about arrogance or thinking you are better than anyone else. It's simply about knowing your own value and not allowing others to define it for you. It means understanding that you are enough, just as you are. You don't need to constantly prove your worth to anyone because you already know it. This inner confidence is what makes you truly irreplaceable. When you no longer seek validation from others, you free yourself from the chains of comparison and judgment. You stop measuring yourself against someone else's standards and start living according to your own. Another important aspect of self-validation is self-compassion. Often we are our own harshest critics. We beat ourselves up over mistakes, failures, and perceived shortcomings. But self-compassion allows us to be kinder to ourselves. It helps us recognize that we are human, that we all make mistakes, and that these mistakes do not define us. When we learn to treat ourselves with the same kindness and understanding that we would offer a friend, we build a sense of self-worth that is unshakable. Self-compassion helps us bounce back from setbacks, knowing that we can learn and grow from our experiences. In a world that constantly tells us we are not enough, learning to validate ourselves is an act of rebellion. It is a way to push back against the societal pressures that try to tell us we must be something we are not. When you begin to validate yourself, you are telling the world that you do not need their approval to know your worth. You are no longer reliant on external accolades or praise. Your sense of worth comes from within, and nothing can take that away from you. Self-validation also involves acknowledging your progress, no matter how small it may seem. We often get caught up in the pursuit of perfection and forget to celebrate the small wins along the way. Every step forward, every challenge overcome, and every lesson learned is a testament to your strength and resilience. When you take the time to recognize these small victories, you reinforce the belief that you are capable and worthy. It is important to remember that progress is not always about reaching the end goal, but about acknowledging the journey and the growth that happens along the way. By validating yourself, you give yourself permission to pursue your dreams without fear of judgment. You stop second-guessing your decisions and start trusting your instincts. You become more confident in your abilities, knowing that you are enough and that you have the strength to handle whatever comes your way. This sense of self-assurance allows you to take risks, try new things, and push beyond your comfort zone. You no longer fear failure because you understand that failure is not a reflection of your worth, but a part of the process of growth. When you validate yourself, you empower yourself to live boldly and authentically. Self-validation is key to building healthy, fulfilling relationships. When you validate yourself, you stop seeking approval from others in an unhealthy way. You don't place your happiness in someone else's hands or allow others to dictate how you should feel about yourself. Instead, you enter relationships as a whole, complete person who is confident in her own worth. This allows you to form deeper connections with others, based on mutual respect and understanding, rather than neediness or dependence. When you validate yourself, you attract relationships that are grounded in love, respect, and authenticity. Self-validation is about creating a life that is driven by your own values, your own beliefs, and your own sense of worth. It is about taking ownership of your life and living it on your own terms. When you validate yourself, you unlock the power within to be the best version of yourself, not because someone else told you to be, but because you know that you are worthy of all the love, success, and happiness that life has to offer.
say. Ripped jeans and broken dreams.